Hi there. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal, or sort of review what are the best option trading courses for beginners. I've got two courses to show you that I really believe in. This is just my opinion, by the way, but obviously the courses are going to show you are really affordable, which is great. I think these courses are brilliant if you're looking to get started with options trading. So if that sounds good, you want to start making some money with options, then stay and watch the video. But before I show you the courses, you probably don't know much about options trading, so I'm just going to sort of do a very quick review for you. So what is options trading? So basically all options is, well, let's do a comparison. So basically, say if you want to buy a stock, say you want to go and buy Apple, you can just buy that stock directly, and basically, when the stock goes up above what you paid for it, you sell and you make a profit. Options is similar but kind of different, because with options, the names, basically the strategy is in the name, options. So basically, you can take an options contract out on Apple stock. It gives you the right to either buy or sell Apple stock at a predetermined price, which is called the strike price, by a certain set expiration date. So when you take an option, you're not actually, buying the stock. You're buying a contract that gives you to either buy or sell a stock, by the strike, which is the strike price, at a predetermined set date. So options trading is great because basically you can make money if the market goes up or if stock price goes up, but you can also make money when the stock price goes down. But there's only really two type of options contracts that you really need to know. The first one is a call option, and all that is basically a call option gives you the right to buy a stock at the strike price, and the strike price is the price that you agree to buy that stock at by a certain set date. And obviously the other one is, a put option. And that is basically when you can, that option gives you the right to sell a stock at a set price, which is a strike price, by a certain date. Now, why would you buy a call option? Well, basically with a call option, you take a call option out on a stock if you believe the price of that stock is going to go up by a certain set date. So say, for example, you want to take a call option out on Apple stock, and you buy your a call option, say for $5, and basically the options contract says the strike price, which is the price that you can buy the option or buy the Apple stock, is set at $150, and say it expires on the 20th of August. Well, say say Apple races up to 200. Well, you can exercise that option because basically that option is giving you the right to buy the stock at 145. So of course, if Apple stock has got up to 200, you're going to exercise that option, and you're going to collect the difference between the strike price, which is 145, and the stock price, which is Apple, which is 200, which is $55 minus the premium. The premium is the cost that it takes out to buy the option. So your profit is going to be $50. But on the flip side, with a put option, you're betting that a stock is going to fall. So say, for example, you believe that Apple stock is going to go from 150 down to 100 by August 20th, for example. So you go to your broker, you see the options list, and you see you take out an option where you believe that you take an option out for $5, where the put option strike price is 150, and that expires by August 20th. And lo and behold, on August 19th, Apple stock drops to $100. So basically, if the options contract you hold for stock is worth more than what the stock is actually worth on the open market, of course you're going to, act on that trade or option. So basically you sell that stock to the open market for 145, 150. And obviously, the stock is 100. So basically your profit is going to be the difference between 150 and 100, which is 50 minus the premium, which is $5. So you've collected a $45 profit. So that is basically how options work. So just remember, with a call option, you're taking the options contract out and betting that your target stock is going to go up in price by a certain set date. And with a put option, you're betting that a certain stock you're betting on with our option is going to fall in price below the strike price you take the option at by a set date. And the other two things you need to know: the strike price is the price written into the contract that allows you, it's a set price that you can either buy the stock at or sell the stock at. And obviously the to take out an options contract, you've got to buy a premium. And when you buy that premium, you purchase the option. And just remember, when you take out an option, say the premium of an options contract for one share is $1, you've got to buy 100 shares for every options contract you come up. So if in the options list, the premium is $1, you multiply $1 by 100 shares. So you're going to be spending $100 on a premium of $1 per share. So that is basically the quick understanding of options. Let's get into my favorite options courses. That's going to take you a whole lot deeper. Now, the first one is Jeff Clark Trader. Jeff Clark Trader is an awesome options trading resource. It's very in-depth, and it's great for new options traders and beginners options traders. I'm going to go through very quickly. Basically, this is not only a course, it's a financial advisory as well. So you're going to get notifications to buy options and sell options for certain stocks. Now, there's a couple of parts to it. First one is issues and updates. This is where you get the buy and sell alerts, as well as the monthly newsletters. The special reports, which is my favorite part, goes deep into certain stocks and strategies with options that you can sort of follow and exercise. These are awesome. There's a whole bank of them here. Each report is about anywhere from 8 to 15 pages long, and each one sort of talks about different strategy or stock you can exercise using options. You got the portfolio of all the opens trades that are going in the moment. You got the videos and Trading Center, which are a whole bank of training videos that will get you up to speed with what call options are, put options, and in-depth examples of options trades. Now, that is Jeff Clark Trader. This is a really in-depth sort of financial advisory for options, as well as a course. Normally this would retail for $199, but you can get it today for just $19, which locks in your membership for 1 year. And then for each subsequent year, you're going to be paying $19. So if you want to check out Jeff Clark Trader and buy it, I'll leave a link down below. Now, my other course is called The Opportunistic Trader. This is run by a guy called Larry Benedict, who's one of the world's leading options traders. And the big idea for One Ticker Trader is that Larry's got a very, very specific formula of how he trades options. Basically, he's got a formula for identifying stocks that he wants to trade using options, and he goes all in on that stock and trades it multiple times in a set period to make profit. And his kind of, his sort of strategy is called the One Ticker Retirement Plan, because he's got a system where he identifies one stock and trades it over and over again using options to make profits time and time again. This is a lot more niche than Jeff Clark Trader. Larry just mainly talks about his One Ticker Retirement Plan. This is great if you want to keep things very simple. Fantastic options trading resource. So You get the issues and updates, which are the buy and sell alerts for his options trades. You get the special reports, which I'll show you. Larry's guide to options trade, which is give you a complete breakdown of, everything you need to know about options. And this goes deep into his strategy, which is the one ticker retirement plan, how he identifies and places options trade using just one ticker at a time. You got the portfolio. It's got all of the trades, and you got various videos that sort of show you how to execute trades on various brokerages. I love One Ticker Trader because there's not information overload. It's very focused, and basically you follow his one ticker retirement plan to place trades. Normally, One Ticker Trader is $199, but you can get One Ticker Trader for just $19. Again, locks your membership in for 1 year. In my opinion, if you want to get into options trading, I buy both, because this is in many ways a lot more content in here, a lot more training videos of how to get started with options trading. There's also Jeff talks about lots of different strategies rather than focusing on one strategy. But Larry Benedict, he really talks about he just follows options with his one ticker retirement plan, so it's a lot more focused. In many ways, it's a lot easier to follow because there's only one plan you're following. But my opinion, if you want to get options trading courses, I get both, because both are going to be really valuable on your options trading journey. So if you want to get either of these, I'll leave a link down below, and you can take them as and when you need them. So these are my favorite options trading courses. Both get a thumb up for me. They're very affordable, but they're very in depth, and they're great if you're a newbie options trader. If you like the video, why not click like, and why not subscribe to the channel? And I hope you found this video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.